Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? In this video, I'm going to explain worksheet or revision sheet for grade 5. First of all, don't forget to give me a like and share this video to your friends. It may be very helpful for them. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. معاذ الجباوي. Here we start. First question. Based on the line plot shown below, which amount of cheese were ordered the most often? Here, the amounts in pounds: 1 pound, 2 pounds, 0 pounds, 3 pounds, or 4 pounds. Now, I want to know which amount was ordered the most often, so I count how many times. It's obviously that 3 pounds were ordered the most often because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 3 pound, which is C. So this the one that was ordered the most often. Next question, question number 2. How many quiz scores are 2 or more? As you can see here, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, he asked me 2 or more. 2 or more. It means 2 and 3. So I need to count how many quiz scores we have here. 2, and we have here 10. So 2 plus 10 equals 12. So 12. The answer is D. Next question. Which of the following is the outlier value? Outlier is the value that is much smaller or larger than most of the other values in the set of data. As you know, the outlier value is the value which is far away from the other values. Here, as you can see, the value which is 10, we have 1 dot. So it's far away from other values. Here, all the values are close to each other. As you can see, this value is the value which is very much larger or smaller. It's very much larger than other values. So the value is 10. The 10 represents the value. And the outlier, guys, if the students, all the students get, most of the students get 4, 5, 6, and 7, and one student, he get 10. So this value, we call it outlier. Other question. Find the volume of the solid. The general definition of the volume is what the object occupies in the space. Based on that, we can count cubic units. Just we need to count. Some cubic units, we cannot see them, but we need to take them in our consideration. Here, I will make it easy for you. This has 2 layers, up layer and down layer. So I need to count the cubic units or the cubes in one layer. Here, the up layer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 8 below them here, but some of them we cannot see them. So 8 up and 8 down. So it's 16 cubic units. So the answer is B. And the answer is B, 16 cubic units. And the next question, which is the volume of the rectangle prism? Guys, here simply, because we are given the dimensions, we are given the length and the width and the height. To find the volume, we only multiply the length by the width and the height. So 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 equals 12. 3 times 2 equals 6 times 2 equals 12. So the answer is 12. So the answer is A. So as you can see here, the rule of the volume, we multiply length by width by height, or area base by height, because length by width equals the area. So here we have 3 dimensions, so we just need to multiply them. Here, other question in the same type. You want the volume, but here the question is true or false. The volume of the following figure, which is rectangle prism, is 12 cubic feet. Now we have the area of the base, which is length times width, 6 multiply 3. Guys, as you can see, is 18. 18 multiply 2 is 36. And he put the answer as 12. So the answer is false. So it's false, because we need to find the area of the base, which is 6 multiply 3, 18, then multiply by 2, or we can say length times width times height. Now, here other question, true and false. False. The volume of the following shape is 6 cubic inches. Now let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just we count, it's true, 6. Last question, true and false. The volume of the following shape is 24 centimeter cubed, or cubic centimeter. Here, look guys, he didn't give me length and width and height. He gave me area of the base, this, the base, area of the base times height is 2. So directly I multiply area of the base, which is 12, by 2, which is the height. 12 times 2 is 24, so it's true. In this case, we are not given the length and width and the height. We are given area of the base, which is 12, and the height, which is 2. Area of the base represent length times width, as you can see. Next question. Draw the line plot for the rank values. Then determine the outlier and which amount was ordered the most often. Here we need to see the repetition of each value. So I start by 2 is the least value. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it was repeated in 2. So I put 4 signs or 4 x's on the 2. Or 4 dots. The next one is 2.5. 1, 2. Here is 2.5. between 2 and 3. Three, no 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 x's. Then next value is 5. We have 1 5 only. Now the next value is 9. 9. 1, it has 1 value, I put 1x. So as you can see, the outlier, the value which is much larger or smaller than other values, which is 9. So 9 is the outlier. Because he asked me the outlier is 9 because it's much larger than other values. Which amount was ordered the most often? Clearly, it is 2 because it's ordered 4 times. So 2 is the amount which was repeated the most. So from this, we have discussed 3 points: the line plots and the volume and the outlier. These are the most points you need to remember, and the point which we count the cubes. By this, we come to the end of the video, and we need to remember these 3 points discussed in this video to be able to solve the questions. That's all for this video. If you like the video, go down and click on the like, and if you have any comment, write your comment on the video to make it better in the future. Thank you very much.